Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. So will I see new lows for XRP, or will this be the last time I'm going to see these lows, and will it only go up from here? Guys, these are all interesting questions we ask ourselves while being in this very unpredictable space that we call cryptocurrency. And so Matt Hamilton at Hammertoe is the Twitter moniker, came up with this price comparison responding to a tweet about Bitcoin and all-time lows, and for comparison looking at the yearly lows for XRP. And so as he's calculated here, 2013 we saw a low of 0.0029, 2014 0.0031, 2015 0.0042, 2016 0.0051, 2017 0.0054, and finally 2018 we saw lows of 0.2575. Obviously, 2017 we had a bull run, and that's why the lows are so much higher in 2018. He says currently we are sitting at 0.3737, and this tweet was posted on January 2nd, so a few days ago now. But I thought it was very interesting to take a look at this. Every year, 2013, 14, 15, so on and so forth, we posted higher lows, but they were very minuscule, but nevertheless they were still higher lows. And then after the huge speculative bull run of 2017, the lows were much higher. So what can we glean from this information? It's very interesting. I decided to pull up the numbers, and I was going to do the math. I was going to find what the increase is of these yearly lows and what the increase was each year to see if we can determine where the lows should realistically be based on a statistical average. So what I came up with was this. 2013 to 2014. So XRP wasn't even at a cent yet, guys. 0.0029 to 0.0031. What increase is that from 2013 to 2014? Well, we saw an increase of roughly 6.9% in that year. Okay, 2014 to 2015, 0.0031 to 0.0042. That is an increase of roughly 35.5%. Much higher, 5 times higher than the previous increase. Okay, so 2015 to 2016, we saw a price of 0.0042 to 0.0051. That was an increase of roughly 21.4%. And then 2016 to 2017, 0.0051 to 0.0054. Not as big of an increase. We saw an increase there of 5.9% approximately. Now, 2017 to 2018, obviously this was the largest high, but as I look at it from this perspective, it is an outlier because I realized that there was an extraordinary bull run in 2017, hiking prices to all new levels based on speculative movement. And so I don't want to use that in this average for this particular exercise because I just wanted to see what XRP could do basically kind of when it's left alone, when there isn't some other external factors, i.e. Bitcoin pulling the prices up of every single coin in the crypto market based on speculative action. So I wanted to take that one out. So we're just going to look at these 4 right here. So what is the average? So once we add these together, so 6.9 plus 35.5 plus 21.4 plus 5.9%, we get an average of 17.4%, okay? And what does that equate to? That equates to an increase of roughly 0.0448 cents. So what will the yearly low in 2019 be in that case? So we have to increase it from 2018's price of 0.2575. And if you add 0.0448 cents, you get a total here of 0.3023 cents. That would be the low statistically based on these former years where there wasn't huge movement for XRP in the crypto space. Was still getting off the ground. And so we saw minute increases, and we're not going to sully up the average with a speculative bull run year. So where are we at right now with XRP? Well, let's look at here. XRP hovering around 36.24, so 0.3624 just changed to 0.3620 cents. So what does that mean, guys? 30 cents. Could we see 30-cent lows? We're already kind of hovering around that mark. Well, I like to use charts as well. And so this is XRP on a daily. And what do we see here? I've highlighted here some key support levels of where we've seen trends move down, base, consolidate, and then move back up, okay? And they all kind of hover within the same roughly range, okay? And when you zoom out, you can see the entire chart here, but let's zoom in and take a look at this a little further. So what did we say? 30 cents roughly, 32, so 0.3023. So where do these zones base in? Well, if you look down here, okay, so let's take the right at the bottom of this one here, because the wick of that candlestick went right down here. So that's about 0.245, okay, 0.245. And the height of the zone here reaches about 0.311. So 0.3023 would be in and about 0.302223, yeah, roughly here. I mean, we're splitting hairs at this point. So kind of at the top of this resistance level is where we're seeing, by calculating statistically, this is where we're seeing possible lows for 2019. Now let me make a mark there so we can see that a lot clearer. It's not that one, it's this one, I believe. Vertical line. So 0.3023. Again, let me make a line here, 0.02. So it would be roughly there, guys. So guys, as you can see here, we're using math to calculate statistically what the average could be for XRP hitting lows in 2019. And we're looking at possibly 0.30. So let's say 30 cents. 30 cents, guys. And of course, we're not far into 2019 right now. These were 2018 numbers, right? And so this line represents where the lowest low could be for XRP. And right now we're hovering just about 36 cents. So the question you have to ask yourself is, do you wait? Do you split hairs? Wait for that possible 30 cents, or load up now while the prices are still good? Guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so you should really be doing your own research while you're making investment decisions like this. But you know what I always say, it's always a good time to buy when the market's depressed. But I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.